welcome to our digital market open to celebrate yesterday's launch of Biomind Labs on the NEO Exchange and now trading under symbol BMND. Biomind is an innovative biotech research and development company aimed at transforming biomedical sciences from natural psychedelics into novel pharmaceutical drugs and nanotech delivery systems for a variety of psychiatric and neurological conditions like depression, anxiety disorders, and addiction. And now more than ever, with the exacerbated effects of COVID-19, mental health and wellness are increasingly becoming a new global pandemic all on its own. Psychedelic medicine and delivery have the potential to be game-changing in the world of life sciences, and Biomind is poised to be at the forefront of this new breakthrough industry. NEO is proud to be a partner of Biomind's journey as a new public company in the Canadian capital markets, and I extend our congratulations again from everyone here at NEO on achieving this significant milestone.
NEO, it's quite difficult for me to explain that you have been saying, Scott, in a few words, how you made us feel from day one. Thank you for being such a great group of people. With you, what seems to be difficult at the beginning ends being easy. So this major step that we are taking today with you, I'm sure that will accelerate even more our evolution as an innovative company and will enable wider investor visibility, what we most need at this stage of our maturity. Any kind of investor should be aware of what Biomind Labs is developing in what we call the pharmaceutical side of psychedelics, the next generation of medicines for the 21st century. And finally, I want to especially thank to our shareholders, the one that trust in us since our inception, something that was very difficult at the beginning, and the ones that recently joined us. Rest assured that we are going to live up to our last breath on the field in order to make our novel pharmaceuticals available to the psychiatric community, ensuring the highest standards of quality, safety, efficacy, and confidence required when prescribing a medication.
To celebrate the launch today, NEO would like to present you with a very unique, one-of-a-kind piece of art, which we've commissioned through our partnership with the Ontario College of Art and Design University. Emma Enright is a recent graduate of OCAD University and is a talented textile artist who created your piece. And to share a bit about her artistic practice and the inspiration behind her commission for Biomind.
I wanted to say thank you so much for letting me create this woven artwork for your company. It was a really enjoyable and fun process for me to research and to create for you. A little bit about myself. I recently graduated from Ontario College of Art and Design, majoring in textile design. And I mostly work with a floor and tapestry loom to create woven artwork for clients' homes. And for Biomind, I really wanted to create something that was soothing for the viewer and relaxing. So I tried to incorporate blues and greens into this woven artwork and have the viewer feel relaxed and inspired, just as your company is. Thank you so much for letting me create this artwork, and I really hope you enjoy it.
It's amazing. A big thank you to Emma. It's wonderful. Thank you very much. Speechless. I'm speechless.
I'd like to maybe pass it back to you to share some more information about Biomind a little more formally, and maybe how you got here today, and definitely some of your plans going forward now as a new public company.
The most important thing is that we are not just another psychedelic company. And this is very important to remark. We are the psychedelic company. And what's this? We are a green chemistry-oriented company specializing in fast-acting psychedelics. So why fast-acting psychedelics? Affordability. So I believe we are the only company with this kind of approach. So does it make sense to develop a novel pharmaceutical that could probably provide a solution for a wide range of mental conditions such as depression, anxiety, eating disorders, addiction, suicide, but at the end it could be available just for a small market niche? The one with a high income level that could afford expensive treatments? So the answer for us is no. And in order to give you an idea, a session to get a psychedelic experience using the psychedelic compound psilocybin lasts approximately 6 hours, with LSD between 8 to 10 hours. So this is our main differential, where resides in our target, which aims to cross the barrier of 60 minutes and goes beyond mental health conditions. So what we are doing to break this barrier, we specialize in 2 tryptamines, NN-DMT, which probably you know colloquially as DMT, and 5-MeO-DMT. Imagine that in the case of DMT, we are considering less than 60 minutes, and in the case of 5-MeO-DMT, less than 20 minutes. It's amazing what we are developing. We believe that this trial is the only one of this kind in the entire world, what makes us one of the most advanced companies in the world, knowing how DMT works in our brain. So this positions us at the forefront of clinical research on the psychedelic compound DMT. 800,000 people commit suicide every year. Almost 600 million people suffer from depression and anxiety. Anorexia nervosa has the highest mortality rate of any mental disorder. People who suffer anorexia nervosa are 57 times more likely to die of suicide than their peers. Tobacco addiction kills more than 8 million people each year. In 2007, it killed my dad due to esophagus cancer. What we believe will bring a massive and affordable solution to millions of patients while taking the company to a place of success. The best is yet to come.